Yo, what's happening? It's your boy CJ. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit all that. But getting into it today, got a special unboxing for you. So shout out to GohamBroham and Ron Reviews. They had a raffle like last month, and it was a $10 raffle. They had it in the Facebook group. They had it on the Instagrams. They was promoting it and stuff. And so the story about it, they had a $10 raffle, and the winner won a pair of cement threes. So I've been messing with these cats for a while and stuff. Been knowing them in the sneaker community. And at first I was like, man, I ain't gonna do it because I don't never win anything. I'm like, I don't want to throw this $10 away. Then I was like, about maybe a week and a half, about 2 weeks before the raffle was over, I was like, man, fuck it, I got a little extra change. So I put my name in the hat. Then I was riding on the interstate. Shit, Ron called me up. You won. So, hey, so I was elated. So finally getting the shoes in. So with no further ado, bam, getting that shout out to the players, man. I appreciate this a whole lot. Been waiting on these for a little minute, but I ain't tripping. Yeah, patience is a virtue. So they in, and I ain't tripping, cause I only wound up paying $10 for them. So get that up out of there. Box done. So there you go. Box kind of distorted a little bit. Got box kind of beaten up a little bit. Oh my Terrence Howard, man, that box kind of beat up, man. But go around, see the details, see what it is. Those details. Air Jordan 3 Retro OG, suggested retail $200. Got that paper up in there. So there you go. There's the shoe. The shoe go right there. Got the little hang tag, but the hang tag isn't on there. But yeah. There the shoe go. She got the Jordan 3. Got the arrow on the back. Shit. The tumble. Got the tumbled all the way around. Shit. Got that elephant print on the front and the back. You know how the threes do. All the details and stuff. So $10 with Jordan 3. Can't be mad at that. I ain't got too much to say about it. Like I have never been too much a fan of the threes, but with them in hand and in the recent iterations of them, I've warmed up to them. So shit, I ain't tripping. Shit's a very nice shoe. Very nice shoe. Ooh, shit. Let me finish this video off because I kept getting interrupted. So why I kept stopping while I was filming. But shit, it's too windy and stuff outside. Too windy and stuff outside to really record. All you're gonna hear is whoosh, 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 whoosh. So just finishing the video off. And man, I don't want to be no crab ass nigga. I don't want to be no hater. Anything like that. But man, I gotta be real with y'all. Let me keep it 100. They was only $10, man, because I won them in the raffle. But man, it's not the best shoe in the world. Like, I'm not talking about just the Jordan 3. I'm talking about like the quality of this shoe. Like the quality of this shoe is not too good, man. It's not too good at all. Like that tumbled on the upper. It's that tumbled is way off. Like, yeah, and some of the cuts of the shoe is just I'm not the most impressed in the world, man. I want to be nice, man. I really don't want to be mean or be like I'm not thankful. I'm not thankful for winning or anything, man. I'm very thankful and appreciate it, man. But I just gotta keep it honest with my viewers and stuff. I don't want y'all to be watching and be like, he's lying. That shoe isn't what, because it isn't the best in the world, man. But if anybody else is interested in this, y'all can hit me up. Y'all can hit me up and make me an offer. Make me an offer on them and shit. They're 9.5. If you got 9.5 and you interested in these for a decent price, holla at your boy. Like, I ain't gonna give them to you for like $40 or anything, but just give me a price worth in reason and shit. I'll hook you up with them because I'm not keeping these. But man, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest of the most hated. Fuck with your boy. Shit. Peace out. Shit. Holla at me. Either on the comment section or I got my social media links in the description. So you can hit me up on there, man. And if you want these, I ain't tripping. Shit, I'll box them up and ship them out. Peace out.